Google can't stop leaking upcoming Google Pixel 9 series, and now everything is confirmed about the Pixel 9 Pro. It's a new day, so it's time for some new Pixel leaks. Google may have been trying to prevent comprehensive leaks of its upcoming devices. Today we have a ton of newly leaked promo videos and leaked official cases. We saw marketing materials containing what could be the specs. Google Pixel 9 Pro available in obsidian, porcelain, rose, and hazel color. The company has announced a Made by Google hardware event for August 13th. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will have a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultrawide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto. 50-megapixel selfie camera. Pixel 9 will offer a 6.01-inch 120Hz OLED display, compared to the 6.5-inch Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 Pro will be powered by Google's new Tensor G4 SoC, and it will have 16 GB of RAM. The phone will feature an octa-core processor with a power core clocked at 3.10 GHz, 3 cores clocked at 2.60 GHz, and 4 cores at 1.95 GHz, with a Mali G715 GPU. The Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. Google is adding native support for satellite messaging to Android OS this year with Android 15. Pixel 9 Pro powered by 4,780 mAh battery. The NCC reports also reveal new charging speeds for the Pixel 9 series. A new 45W Google-branded charging brick has also been revealed. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.